Good morning, guys. So today we are working on the new convertible. It seems to have an overheating issue at idle. I don't think I heard the fans click on. We're going to check the thermostat as well at the same time and also bleed the coolant system because it's not bled properly. So let's hop right into it and see what's up. So when I started the process of taking off the air box to get to the thermostat, I found a very dirty air filter, as you can see here. So just as a reminder, do replace your air filters so they don't end up looking like this. This is definitely a maintenance thing that needs to be done. This is not good for your motor whatsoever. Okay, so I just pulled the thermostat out of the car. This one looks a little rough. As you can see, the gasket's quite dirty, quite messy. So just because I'm here already checking, I just figured I'd replace it, so I went and got a new one. So we're going to be putting this one in and then rebleeding the coolant system. Okay, 50-50. So the coil pack in this car is not seated properly, as you can see here. So I'm going to be replacing it, but I wanted to let you guys see how to take this clip off because it's a little different than the other clips on the Mini, and I have broken one before. So this little red tab, you push this way. So it clips like that, and then you simply push it back, and that's how it comes undone. And then you should be able to just pull it off by squeezing like a regular tab. There we go. Cylinder number 3. So make sure that when you put this back on, you do put the wirings on the correct cylinder. Your coil pack, if it's OEM, should be labeled, as well as your wires if they are OEM. Simply, when you put the coil pack on, you need to make sure that there is gaskets on top of the coil pack and below it where the screws go, and that's what stops that wobble. we are putting back in the air intake, replacing that filter. Yeah, so a pretty simple but kind of time-consuming process just because of the clamps. I replaced the clamps because I like worm clamps better than the OEM clamps. I like that worm clamps are more than one-time use, so we're just going to be using those instead. But it's all personal preference.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours.
Okay, so to kind of recap what went on with the convertible, we originally planned to replace the thermostat, check on that, make sure that's not why the car was overheating. When it would sit at idle, it would overheat. But then as we started the process of taking the car apart to get to the thermostat, we found plenty of issues, obviously including the air filter, which has not been changed. There was not a lot of coolant in this system. The coil pack was loose, so I just figured while I was there I was just going to go ahead and replace all these things, take it out in one big swoop. So obviously in the beginning of this video I did not mention that, but I wanted to go over that's why all that happened. Taking the car apart, I found more issues than I was anticipating. So yeah, I hope that clears everything up for you guys, and I will see you guys next time.